I think this is truly a story of how, with a strong desire to make something into a reality and the ability to take massive action, anything is possible. I put a note on that back door about 7 months ago, and I bought this place and I turned it into my personal condo, and this is me showing you around. Let's take a look. So at the beginning of coronavirus, I sold my house and I found this condo. I put a note in the back door, negotiated it for $90,000 cash, and he had just paid $175 for it in 2010. It needed to be fully gutted, but that was perfect for me because this was my dream location right by the river. I completely gutted this place, removed most of the walls, readjusted the floor plan, put in all new HVAC, electrical, plumbing, insulation, drywall flooring, kitchen, and bathrooms. This was quite the project. So when I first bought this house, there was all these walls just snaking through the entire place, and I completely gutted it out. I wanted to go for more of like a New York flat kind of vibe, and this TV wall here is like $600 on Wayfair. We ran electrical to it, put a couple of custom quad outlets there at the bottom, so I have a coax line run here for the internet. Also, so I can plug in my Google Home system, which this entire house is Google automated. And all you need is Google or Alexa or some sort of smart home system. And then smart switches are really all you need. I use the Lutron Cassetta. None of the wiring, fixtures, bulbs need to be smart. All you need is that smart switch, links to your Google Home, and boom, this entire condo is fully automated. So when I first bought this condo, this was an exterior sliding glass door to this patio, which I put a beam in, ripped everything out, and enclosed into this gorgeous new sunroom. And this love sack, $1,500 later, is actually where I spend most of my time. It's actually one of my best investments. The J-Lane sign is here. I was kind of filming the podcast here. Most of my team is kind of working remotely too last year of coronavirus. So that'll probably go into the office eventually at some point, probably this year. All right, so here's the condo. We got the office here all cleaned out. We got these walls all removed. This was a hallway. We got the bathroom cleaned out, ready to refinish the tub and the tile. Here's my workout room. We got the framing that's about to happen. I'm gonna open up that whole space. We're gonna move the electric panel over there by the door. I'm filled with gratitude every time I walk out of my bedroom door and I see this beautiful blue landscape of river, water with boats and jet skis and sunsets and sunrises. It's really just a gorgeous place to crunch on some client invoices. And I moved the laundry room out of the kitchen. It was a stackable unit when I first bought this place, into this closet. And so now I have a gorgeous new stackable unit with a very squeaky door that I'll fix eventually, one thing at a time. And it's been awesome, which leads into this little office, which I had as my gym at one time. Office for right now, probably will be gym in the future, but long story short, I added this sliding glass pocket door. Here's actually so I can keep my dryer door open. But sliding glass pocket door that catches and closes. So if I have people over, I can have a private conversation on the phone and still view the river. Let's check out what do we want to check out next, Charlie?
Gym?
Let's do the gym. And this is my gym. So this was actually really disgusting. I can't talk bad about the guy. Literally, his cat was pooping in the tub.
Oh.
So I don't know if I should say it. Let's try. Kind of disgusting, but long story short, what I did, I literally just refinished it twice with epoxy. And we did this beautiful champagne something. What was it called? Mm-hmm. We did this beautiful champagne finish. I messed up this bathroom. It's black and champagne. Bought this vanity off build.com, and beautiful fixtures and finishes and lights, and everything's, again, smart controlled, so you can turn off the bathroom lights when someone's in here. Just tell Google to do it. It's great. So I ripped out this wall going into the kitchen, ripped out all the old cabinets, ripped out the moldy drywall behind the cabinets, added low voltage wiring, then I added these custom shelves which are floating on top of the quartz, which is the counters, and from the counters to the ceiling, this is about 10 grand worth of quartz with a waterfall edge, which is a great detail, cut at a 45 with a machine. and that goes all the way down to the floor, so it kind of looks like a waterfall. Great high-end detail. White shaker cabinets from the supplier that I always use for homes and flips, and got a great deal. I was gonna do like really cool, like IKEA style, like soft close, like modern, like Swedish stuff, but COVID, couldn't even walk into IKEA. It's insane. Home Depot, stainless steel appliances. I think I spent like a couple grand, 1,800 bucks. That was like super, super affordable. Awesome appliances. My last house, you saw I did like the LG Smart, like actually it was Samsung, but it was like all these buttons, and it's like, nah, I just kept it basic on the appliances this time. But they work. Hey Google, turn on the shelf lights.
Okay.
So at night, these actually look really, really cool. And again, all I had to do was put a smart Lutron cassette switch, and Google controls them. So I can tell her turn on the shelf lights, and boom, at night, this whole place is just glowing neon blue, and I can change colors too. So I walked into an Asian restaurant during the renovation of this condo, and I saw this huge bubble wall. I was like, told my buddy Mark, I was like, Mark, I'm gonna put one of those in my house. Got bubble wall companies researching $9,000, $7,000, $15,000. I'm like, this is absolutely insane. Went on Amazon, found this for $399 bucks, ordered it. It was here a couple weeks later. We pretty much installed the low voltage transformer, wired it into a smart switch. Hey Google, turn on the bubble wall. And now at night, these neon things just are really awesome. So I bought this as a 4-bedroom, 2-bath condo, and now it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo. This is 2 bedrooms that I took this wall out, reframed this entire space, 3/4 bedroom, 1/4 closet, huge master suite that I turned 2 bedrooms into. We're denailing some of this wood to use as a little bit of temporary walls, and we're gonna put a door right here to the master. What we did was remove this wall. So we made this all one big open master room. And you can see, here's my pocket door track. So I'm gonna have a 32-inch door, which is gonna slide into that track. And you're gonna walk into the master bathroom right there. And this was the closet to this room that was here. And I'm gonna extend this wall all over here. So yes, there will be a window in my closet. So this is not the final closet design, but you know, there's a huge space here to work with, and in the future, it can be built out, organized, and of course, everything's pocket door. Pocket doors are awesome. Just don't hang anything on these walls. So then, I've got these awesome light fixtures. I think mooklighting.com. You can explore when you're remodeling. You can do any kind of fixture as long as the box is there. I just put these 12 inches off the wall, centered them up, got a beautiful painting. So this is my whiteboard for awesome ideas. But when I first bought this place, this was the door to the master closet. And you'd walk in, and there's this other wall going all the way down, and pretty much this horrible bathroom, and a really, really bad closet. And so I made this into one big master bathroom. Let's check it out. So this bathroom was pretty disgusting when I first bought this place. So we just completely ripped it out, raised the ceilings, roughed everything in, framed the pocket door, left the toilet where it was, but all the other plumbing completely moved. We put the shower where the closet was, so we replumbed everything, did the vent stacks, added exhaust fans, double everything. So towel bars, shower heads, I even added little hooks for washcloths and loofahs, and then did a really, really nice, you know, niche. And then this Wayfair, I bought it from Wayfair, this floating vanity with these awesome faucets that change color, blue, green, and then red. Green is lukewarm. And so, long story short, everything is soft close. This was like 1,500 bucks, 1,600 bucks. Wall mounted it, of course, roughed in the plumbing. That's the hardest part, getting it perfectly inside of those cavities where they need to go. And cool part about this is this mirror. All you have to do is run an outlet to it, so run electrical. It heats itself. So when you're taking a shower, it keeps the fog off of the mirror. And then of course, the light goes off and on. So really, really modern approach to a design, but really not that expensive. Just look-alike marble tile, but really it's porcelain. And this mirror was only like 500 or 600 bucks. So it's not that much more to do some really nice things. My first time walking down these stairs, I literally almost died. And so I called the HOA. That's one benefit of having an HOA, homeowners association, is they pay for the roof, they pay for the boat dock, they pay for the landscaping, and I had them pay my construction company for a new set of stairs. They did not, however, pay for this beautiful new patio, which Tremron paver, a beautiful beautiful spot to look over the sunset there, the sunrise there. You can see two of Jacksonville's bridges right here. It's truly been an amazing place to live and breathe and enjoy and rest and also work very hard. And remember, anything that you want to become a reality, if it's a dream of yours, you can make it happen with a little bit of action. In most cases, a lot of bit of action. So stay encouraged, stay motivated. We'll see you in the next video.